Okay, this is Yushatara, our first lesson. Introduction to matrices. What is a matrix? The rectangular or square formation of the real numbers enclosed in a special bracket as shown is called a matrix. Three examples are mentioned. You can see the three examples of rectangular matrices. How these matrices can be used? They can be used, how is a very big question, but they can be used in different fields like business, economics, physics, electronics, or computer graphics. And you can search the web for how they can be used, because it's not a part of your syllabus right now. Types of matrices and order of matrices is the second lesson. What is a row matrix? A row matrix has only one row. Row is the horizontal line. You can see one horizontal line in which 2579 is present. 9 seems like a G. Sorry for that, but it's a 9. So 2579 a real number. They are present in one row. And how many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the order of the matrix will be row cross column. 1 cross 4. Cross can be replaced by as well. So 1 by 4 or 1 cross 4 is the order of the row matrix given. These number of columns can change, but row will always be 1 for row matrix. Column matrix has one column, as you can see. It has only one column. And how many rows are there? They can vary. In this example, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, 4 horizontal lines and 1 vertical line in which the numbers are arranged. So it's a 4 cross 1 matrix. 0 or none matrix is the matrix with all the entries present equal to 0. It has only 2 rows and 2 columns, which makes it a 2 cross 2 matrix, or the order of matrix will be 2 cross 2. What is a square matrix? Square matrix is a matrix with number of rows and number of columns equal. You can see in the first example, A is present in a special type of bracket, which makes it a matrix. One row is there in this matrix and one column is there. So it's a 1 cross 1 matrix. The order of the matrix is 1 cross 1 actually. And the second example, 1 cross 1. Okay, the second example, you can see there are 2 rows in it, 2 columns in it, which makes it a 2 cross 2 matrix. If M represents the number of rows, then the square matrix is actually M cross M matrix. Both the number of rows and columns are equal. So you can see M cross N matrices. What is a diagonal matrix now? Diagonal is the line connecting the opposite corners of a rectangle. You know that before. If the elements, non-zero elements are present in the diagonal, they can be different, like A, B, C, 3 different values. And all the other entries in the matrix are 0. It makes it a diagonal matrix. Look at the position of A, A11. 1, 1 means first row and first column. Then what about B? It is A2, 2. B is in the second row and second column. I'm just mentioning their positions, that's it. A33 is the position of C. They are all equal to, not equal to 0. And other entries are equal to 0. So diagonal matrix is a matrix in which the entries in the diagonal are non-zeros and they are different. They can be different. They can be same. If they are all same, like AAA, it makes it a scalar matrix. It's not mentioned here, but scalar matrix is a matrix with all the diagonal elements same, but other than 1. Because identity matrix is the matrix in which all the entries in the diagonals are 1. So if all the entries in the diagonal are 1, it's an identity matrix. If they are other than 1 and equal, it makes it a scalar matrix. Like if it is 2, 2, 2. 1, 1 and 1. In the diagonal, the elements are 1 and the other entries are 0. So it makes it an identity matrix with the order 3 cross 3 because it has 3 rows, you can see clearly, and it has 3 columns. How can we mention this identity matrix? With I. We have to mention this one because it has to be, or it will be used in the questions in the exercise.